Well, in the previous episodes, we configure Microsoft ASR and we replicate our on-prem infrastructure to Microsoft Azure. So for the testing purpose, what we did, we enabled replication for the single VM. And if you talk about this VM, here is the replication health column. And here you can verify the status is healthy. When I click on it, so it will bring the results. Here you can see now the status is protected, the replication status is healthy. And what we did, last successful test failover never performed successfully. It means that we never test this VM. That is why here this VM is showing that the failover test is not performed yet. Okay, so here we have the latest recovery points. So from recovery points, you can easily verify that this VM is constantly replicating its status with Microsoft Azure every 5 minutes. Here you can see the time difference is 5 minutes. So it means that if any kind of change we make on our on-prem infrastructure, so within 5 minutes that data or any kind of changes related to the application, related to the operating system, related to the user data will be automatically replicated towards Microsoft Azure. So here we have this VM. Here you can see I have on-prem infrastructure VM. So now if I want to test this failover related to the Microsoft Azure, so for that purpose, I need to create some data on C partition, and let's see that the data is going to be replicated on Azure or not. So here I am, and on the C partition root, I'm going to create a folder, and here we go. uh, uh, Testing replication. Okay, so I created the folder. Now I need to copy some data over here. So just for the testing purpose, we need to verify that this replication process is going successfully, and if any kind of failover occur in our data center, so our VMs will be protected and we can easily run all the infrastructure on Microsoft Azure. So here I make the changes. So now you can notice the time. Here we have the latest recovery point. So it's almost 7:28, right? So after 5 minutes, this data will be completely replicated on Microsoft Azure replication VM. So when I check after 5 minutes, here we go. After 5 minutes, when I'm going to test this VM, is test failover. So it means that the changes which I make on the on-prem infrastructure will be automatically replicated on Microsoft Azure. So after 5 minutes, we will definitely perform a test failover just to verify that our replication process is going successfully. So in the coming episode, we will go and test this failover process on the Microsoft Azure platform.